Leading the way in the recycling sector, BAGSAN Telescopic Loaders. Proudly manufactured in Turkey, BAGSAN continues to innovate in the recycling industry. Offering exceptional maneuverability even in tight spaces, BAGSAN Telescopic Loaders stand out with their articulated movement system. With lifting capacity of 3 tons, lifting heights of 6.5 meters, 7.5 meters, and 8.5 meters, BAGSAN ensures versatility in recycling and solid waste storage facilities, while maintaining operator comfort with its 4-wheel driving system and automatic transmission even in rugged terrain. Achieve maximum efficiency and versatility for loading and storing waste in recycling facilities with BAGSAN Telescopic Loaders. Our next-generation wheeled telescopic loaders provide the ideal solution for your facilities with the right attachments. Visit our website for more information and get in touch for tailored solutions to meet your needs. BAGSAN, by your side.